at these hands. They've wrung themselves with worry every day. These hands were far too busy pushing life away. But my heart, it's beating still for this place beneath the hill. And if I walk away, my heart is here to stay. Look at my face, a miracle, a marvel forced to hide. Each stitch, each fold, a story told but never tied. But my heart, it struggles on in this place where I belong. Though I walk away, my heart is here to stay. Where they don't run with fear and grab the nearest garden tool, they'll marvel and cheer. And then I hear them call, there goes Brenda, the owner of a fabulous B&B. I look out to see an exceptional me, stood alone with my tea. Oh God, I love tea. Look in my eyes, they've cried these tears 1,000 times before. These lonely eyes, they've seen 1,000 places, but I'm sure as my heart it beats alone for this place I call my home. And as I walk away,